Hello, I'm Million St. Hilaire, and in this video I want to show you how you can connect this type of hot tub that has the IQ2020 controller in it to Home Assistant. Here I have Jets 1, I'm going to turn them on. There we go. I'm going to turn it off. Jets 2 on. And Jets 2 here, if I tap on it, you can see that it has a low and a high setting. I'm currently on low. I can do high. Here's everything we need for this project. So first there's this M5 stack ESP32. Now this is the actual computer. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and yeah, lots of other things. We have this little device. This is a RS485 adapter for this little computer here. And this is going to do basically the conversion to communicate with the hot tub. But also it takes in 12 volts from the hot tub and will power the little computer. Okay, here we go. We have the 4 wires connected and we have them with the right colors connected to the right places. I'm going to switch over to my desktop here. And what I want to do is go into the Windows Device Manager. What I'm going to do is plug in this ESP32 device right there. And it will do a little chime, and you're going to see here an additional port. And I'm going to make sure that ESP Home is installed. If it's not installed, just click on the add-in store and install ESP Home. So you're going to go on the bottom right, and you are going to click on New Device. I'm going to call it Hot Tub, and say Next. And you're going to say, like installation, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to say skip this step. Then ESP32 is going to be the one I'm going to pick. And that's it. And then I'm going to, the really important part is just after the Wi-Fi. So it says external components. So that part from external components all the way to the end, right here, copy. So I'm just going to do Control C or right click and say copy. And that's the part you want to copy. Go in the file, and then you'll see here Wi-Fi, hotpot, captive portal. So, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste Control V, paste all that text there, and then hit the little 3 dots and say install. So yeah, so I'm going to hit install, and here I'm going to say plug into computer. So I'm going to do that. And then it's going to tell me which COM port to use. And we've seen earlier that COM port 4 is the one that I should use for this device. And we're done, configuration installed. So I'm going to hit close. And once you're configured correctly, this device will immediately reboot and it will start connecting to your Wi-Fi. And you should see the device come online. So you should see a new one called Hot Tub, because I called it like that. And you should see all of the values. Now it's going to say unknown. I can connect it to the RS485 adapter. There we go. Perfect. At this point, we need to power it using the hot tub and connect the data lines, and we're done. I have B as blue, A as yellow, I have red is 12 volt, and ground is black. And so I'm going to be connecting from the bottom to the top. I'm going to do yellow, then red, skip one. I'm going to do black for ground, skip one, and then blue. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go and I'm going to use the leftmost connector right here, and I'm going to do that. So yellow first at the bottom. And it's nice and easy. I have it connected. So then what you can do is take this little computer. It has Wi-Fi on it. It's powered. It doesn't need to have any Ethernet, USB or anything connected to it. Just leave it in the box and then close your box and you are done. And now I'm just back inside my house to the main computer, and let's take a look at my integration. And look at that, we have data now. So as soon as the device booted up and was connected to the hot tub and we powered it back on, then we started getting a lot of new data. So here I have the hot tub lights and I have the hot tub temperature. I can click on this and change the temperatures right there. You can click on, let's see, the little 3 dots and device info to come back to this screen here. You have the outlet temperature, the current temperature, and the set temperature. And in my case, I changed dynamically using an automation inside Home Assistant. I changed the target temperature to lower it when the electric prices are high. So that's it. That's how easy it is to connect your hot tub to Home Assistant if you have this specific type of hot tub with this controller. And if you have variable pricing, electric pricing in your area, this will save you a lot of money too. So hopefully that was useful. Have a great one.